Ahmed Hamid, the teacher of English at the international section of Shabab al-Fahd schools. Okay. Today we are going to deal with social for level 4. We are going to start with unit 1, lesson 1. Look at the title of the lesson. What are traditions? Traditions. Look at this word, traditions. What are traditions? Okay. We are going to give the definition for traditions. التقاليد نعرفها نقول ايش؟ They are practices or manners that are passed from one generation to another. Practices or manners that are passed from one generation to another. عادات وأخلاق وتقاليد تمر من جيل إلى آخر. Okay. Look at the rest here. Traditions have existed for a long time and generations feel proud when they follow the traditions of their grandparents. ويشعر الأبناء بالفخر لاتباع هذه التقاليد. مثلا تقاليد giving coffee to guests in Saudi Arabia. التقليد إعطاء القهوة للضيوف في المملكة مثلا هذا التقليد يتوارث عبر الأجيال. Okay. Traditions are fixed ثابتة. هذه التقاليد ثابتة. They never change ولا تغير أبدا. They are usually related to specific times and celebrations. وهي مرتبطة بزمن معين واحتفالات معينة. لبس الملابس مثلا في العيد، لبس الملابس المخصصة في الأعياد الوطنية مثلا، كل هذه من التقاليد. Parents usually enjoy passing traditions to their children. يستمتع الآباء بتمرير هذه التقاليد لأطفالهم. And children learn to respect traditional beliefs as part of their life. احترام هذه التقاليد. Traditions might be passed by a word of mouth or through written stories. ممكن عبر الكلمات أو عبر القصص تستطيع معرفة هذه التقاليد. Okay, that's very good. Okay. An example of traditional celebration in عيد الأضحى. مثال للاحتفالات بعيد الأضحى. Children wear new clothes and having a family lunch are part of our traditions during the الغداء والذبائح والذبيحة من التقاليد في عيد الأضحى. Okay. So, as we say, مرة ثانية نكرر تعريف traditions تقاليد. They are manners passed from one generation to another. Manners passed from one generation to another. Okay. والجزء المهم الثاني traditions might be passed by a word of a mouth or through written stories. إما بالقصص يا إما شفاهة بالقصص أو عبر الأجيال من جيل إلى آخر. Okay. Look at these pictures. انظر إلى هذه الصور أمامك. These are parts of the traditions. Okay. That is very good. Now, what are traditions? Still, the title. نبي نشوف تقاليد معينة. One famous tradition in the Arab world is related to using henna to draw on the hands or feet of women. Henna is traditions in most of the Arab world. Most of the Arab world. Okay. This tradition has been going on for thousands of years. هذا التقليد مر عبر السنين للنساء. استخدام الحنة للنساء. As you can see in the picture, look at the hand of this woman. It is henna, with a colorful, with a very fine, henna. Yeah, they are used for the Eid, for the celebrations of wedding, etc., etc. Okay, this is for henna in the Arab world. Henna in the Arab world is used, yeah, as a traditional custom. Okay, that's good. Here, look at England, for example. Look at this picture. Can you say anything of this picture? Uh-huh. What is this sport? What is it called? Huh? This is cricket. Of course, cricket is not famous in the Arab world or in Saudi Arabia. لعبة الكريكت ليست مشهورة في المملكة العربية السعودية أو الدول العربية، ولكن في إنجلترا واحدة من أشهر الألعاب. An important traditional folklore that is well known in England is cricket. Folklore is a traditional belief, myth, or tale. اعتقاد في هذا الفولكلور. Okay. Cricket is England's national sport. والكريكت هي من الرياضات الوطنية في إنجلترا. طيب, how many persons are there in a team? Teams are made of 11 players each. كما في كرة القدم. As in football, 11 players play in this cricket. طيب, what are the tools that are used in this sport? الأدوات المستخدمة في هذه الرياضة. They play with a ball slightly smaller than a baseball and a bat shaped like a battle. شوف الكرة والعصا أمامك في الصورة. Okay. This is the bat, as you can see here, and there is a ball coming from this side. There is a ball coming from this side. Okay, that's it. Now, again, as a conclusion and a summary for this lesson, what can we say? Number one, traditions are manners passed through generations. التقاليد عبارة عن أخلاق وعادات تمر عبر الأجيال. Traditions are manners passed through generations. Number two, henna is a tradition in the Arab world. As we said before, henna is a very famous tradition in the Arab world. Okay. Number three, in the third part, we discussed the tradition in England, and we said that cricket is a traditional folklore in England. It is a traditional folklore in England. Okay, it is as we said before, it is a national sport in England. And we said about cricket that each team has 11 players, and they play with a ball, yeah, and a bat shaped like a paddle. Okay, a flat bat that is flat, which is made of wood. يبقى من مضرب والكرة، مضرب مفلطح شوية، والكرة أصغر من كرة البيسبول. أوكي، الأمريكية المشهورة. Okay. As for your homework, look at this. Choose. Okay. Traditions are. التعريف اللي قلناه قبل شوية. Define traditions. What are traditions? قلناه من شوية. Are practices or manners that are passed from one generation to another. Now choose from these three words. Traditions are manners, people, places. This is for question one. You just make a circle around the correct word, or you can write it in the space. Okay. Number two, dash is a tradition in the Arab world. What is a tradition in the Arab world? Among these three words, is it football, cricket, or henna? Choose the correct word for this. Okay. Question three, cricket is a tradition in cricket. It is a national sport in which country? Uh, which part of the world that is famous for cricket as a sport? Cricket is a tradition in England, Arab world, or KSA. KSA, as you know, that it refers to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you and goodbye.